Hi beauties! Today Paula, Ashley, and I are going to show you our skincare routines. Hi guys, it's Rachel and I'm going to show you my skincare routine for my dry skin. My first step is going in with our Peptide cleanser. I've gone through multiple bottles of this. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So the thing with Peptides is that it helps promote your skin to become rejuvenated, it enhances collagen production, and it definitely does not dry my skin out. So after I go in with the OFRA Peptide cleanser, I then use our Revitalizing Toner. I love this stuff because it does not dry my skin out and it has ingredients like witch hazel and grapefruit extract. After cleansing and toning, twice a week I like to take the Peptide Hydrating Mask. This is really good for helping out my dry spots and any flaky patches that I have. After I use the toner or after I use the mask, I go in with this absolute skin saver, which is the B5 serum, and it has hyaluronic acid, and I love putting this stuff on. It is so moisturizing and it really helps my dry skin. And then the last step in my routine is using our Peptide Moisturizer. Again, this is such a lightweight moisturizer and it seeps right into my dry skin without making me feel oily. So these are my dry skin savers. I hope you find one thing in this little collection that you like, and I really hope you try it out.
Hey beauties, it's Ashley, and I have oily skin, and I'm going to talk about my skincare routine. I like to use a vitamin C cleanser because it's a gentle cleanser and is great for after, removing my makeup. It removes all the leftover dirt. It also removes any excess oil, which is great for my oily skin. After I finish cleansing with the foaming vitamin C cleanser, I like to use our fruit acid lotion as a toner. It's great for any flare-ups, it's great for any dark spots, and it removes any excess oil. So how I use it is I soak a cotton pad and I use it all over my face and my neck for 10 to 15 seconds, and my skin feels fresh. Sometimes I mask, and when I do mask, I use our Peptide Brightening Mask twice a week, which is great for dark spots as well, and it definitely helps my face feel fresher and a lot brighter and cleaner. On regular days after I finish cleansing and toning my face, I like to go in with our Super C Ester Serum, which helps add moisture to my skin, and it also helps to tone my uneven skin. And then for moisturizer, my favorite part is our oil-free moisturizer, which adds enough oil, but it doesn't leave me feeling super greasy, and I feel like it's great for any skin tone, but especially for oily skin. This is my skincare routine for oily skin. I hope that some of these items become some of your favorites as well.
Hey beauties, it's Paula, and today I'm gonna go over my skincare routine for combination skin that's really been working for me. I'm gonna mix in and out of AM and PM because I have all my products here. I'm so excited. My first product up is my cleanser, and I use Micro Glow. It's our newest one, and it has micro exfoliators in it that kind of scrub my skin, but not too harshly, which is nice, and it's great for combo skin because it gets the extra oils off my skin, but never dries it out. And so that's why I use Micro Glow. So that's first, morning and evening. It's good for both. After I've used Micro Glow, my next step is toner, and I, in the mornings, use Revitalizing Toner, and this one has witch hazel in it, which is great to sort of get rid of excess oils, but not over drying. During having combination skin, you kind of have spots that are more dry and spots that are oilier. So for me, my T-zone is the most oily, so I stick with toner in those parts of my face and skip on the rest. And so for my PM version of Revitalizing Toner, I use fruit acid lotion, and it's in this little bottle because you shouldn't use it every single day. But I do, but you shouldn't unless you've worked up to it. So this one has a lot of lactic acid and AHAs in it. So my skin can tolerate it because I've built it up to it to use it every evening, but you should definitely start with one evening at a time and see how it goes, and go like every other or go to every 3 nights and see how it goes for you. So my final step in the AM is vitamin C cream, and I absolutely love vitamin C cream. It's got like a nice whiff of oranges and citrus and loveliness. Just feels like daytime to me. So this I apply. I'm gonna show you on my hands because I actually do use it on my hands, whatever's left over. See like all these marks on my hands that I have? It's great to lighten. So vitamin C is great for dark spots and for moisturizing. And this one actually has sun protection in it as well. So sun filters, so you'll be protected from the sun. And it's just my favorite. It just delights all the senses, like it says. in the evening, I swap out vitamin C cream for Ester C serum, our newest Luxe serum. And so it's just the lighter version of vitamin C, and it doesn't have the sun filters, so it's perfect for the evenings, and it just has enough moisture for the evenings for me. And for combination skin, I don't want to not use moisturizer. So I stick with a serum for the evening because I do get more oils, obviously, while you're sleeping and you're like hitting your pillow and going back and forth. You get a lot of oils on your face during the evening. So a serum is perfect for that. And this one has just enough moisture. So I'm going to show you. So I dropped this one onto my hand and it's a nice consistency there. Let's see, put it on my hands. Some people like to go in and do like the dropping on the face. You can do that as well. I'm going to take off my glasses and apply this one for you. And I just kind of pat it in to my face here. Let's see. Don't forget your neck. That's my full routine, morning and evening. During the week, twice a week, I go in with Soft Pearl Peel, our mask. That's just, first of all, it's beautiful. It's like a pearly color. I'm gonna open it up for you guys so you can see it. It's like a nice whipped shade in there and on your skin. So here it is on the skin, and it has exfoliating beads in it. And this one can be used multiple ways. It's called Soft Pearl Peel. So you can put it on, leave it on for 10 minutes and as part of like a masking routine, or you could use it during the week, and just put it on and do a dry scrub with it and just do it for a minute or two on your skin and completely take it off afterward, and then follow with your toner and the rest of your routine. So it doesn't have to necessarily be a mask as either. You could also do it in the shower. It's great for your skin, like your body as well. So if like for your neck, your décolletage as they call it, it's great for that if you see a lot of sun damage, or anywhere on like your body that you might need a little extra buffing. It's great for that as well, in small portions though. And that's Soft Pearl Peel. All right, beauty. So before I finish any routine, morning or evening, my skincare could not be complete without Hydra Nourishing. I use this as my body lotion, but before I finish, after I'm done with all my products and I've dipped my hands in water and gone through the whole routine, I like to seal everything off with Hydra Nourishing Body Lotion. It's my absolute favorite. This cream is just heaven. It just feels like really creamy, but when you're done, it doesn't leave any sort of like heavy feeling anywhere. All over your body, it's perfect. And for your hands, of course, because you need it. So I always keep one at my desk all day long as well. So that's my #1 recommendation. All right, beauties, this is my routine for combination skin. I hope you found some picks for your skincare routine. And just remember, with combination skin, you can also spot treat areas. You don't necessarily have to treat every portion of your skin the same. So remember, you can use dry skin products on parts of your face that might be dry or patchy, but you could also just skip like moisturizers or any serums that you feel might make other parts of your face too oily as well. All right, beauties, so those were all of our routines, from dry skin to combo to oily skin. Hopefully you found some products that you can add to your routine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any comments, leave them down below. If you have other products that you'd like for us to try out during our videos and our Back to Basics videos. And also if you want to see any other types of videos from us. Bye, beauties.